Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam invalid product key error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam menu there. Click on Steam, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Go Online. This ensures your Steam client is properly connected to the servers, which is essential for validating product keys. Now, with your Steam client online, click on Steam again in that same upper left corner. This time, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will open up your Steam settings window where you can adjust various configurations that might be affecting your product key validation. Once the settings window opens, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several categories listed there. Click on Downloads to access the download-related settings. This section controls how Steam handles downloads and cached data, which can sometimes interfere with key validation. Next, scroll down through the Downloads section until you find an option called Clear Download Cache. This cached data can sometimes become corrupted and cause issues with various Steam functions, including product key activation. Right beside Clear Download Cache, you'll see a button that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to clear the cache. Click Confirm to proceed. Keep in mind that clearing the cache will sign you out of Steam, so you'll need to log back in after this step. Wait a moment while Steam clears the cache data and prepares to restart. Now, here's another important step that often resolves this issue. If you're using a VPN, you'll need to disable it. Product key validation can sometimes fail when Steam detects you're connecting through a VPN due to regional restrictions. In the bottom right corner of your screen, click on Show Hidden Icons to reveal additional system tray icons. From there, locate your VPN application and disable it completely. This ensures Steam can verify your product key without any connection conflicts. With your VPN disabled and your cache cleared, it's time to try entering your product key again. In the top left corner, click on Games from the menu bar. From the drop-down that appears, select Activate a Product on Steam. This will launch the product activation wizard that walks you through the key validation process. Follow the prompts until you reach the key entry screen. Click on the text field provided and carefully enter your product key again. Make sure you're entering it exactly as it appears, including any hyphens or special characters. Once you've entered the key, click Confirm to submit it. Steam will now verify the code and attempt to activate your product. Give it a few moments to process the key and connect with the Steam servers. With the cache cleared and your VPN disabled, the validation should complete successfully this time. And that's it, you've successfully resolved the invalid product key error on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.